Hi everyone, in this video we'll look at sales tax and sales price. So, sales tax, a definition. Sales tax is the additional amount of money charged on items people buy. These are usually levied by a state and or county. It is an extra percentage added to the price you pay. Sales tax is based on the sales price of an item and not the original price of the item. Use the following equations to calculate the sales tax. To find the amount of sales tax, you multiply the original price by the tax rate. And to find the total cost of an item is the cost including sales tax. To find the total cost, add the sales tax to the sale price of the item. So the total cost is the sales tax plus the original price or the sale price, depending on if it's discounted or not. So, a smartphone costs $220. Sales tax is 5%. Was the total cost including tax? So there are two different ways we can find it. We can first figure out the amount of the tax. To find the amount of the tax, we're going to change 5% to a decimal, 5/100. Multiply it by the original price, $220. Use my calculator to multiply it out. The amount of the tax ends up being $11. Now to find the total cost, I'm going to take the original price, $220, and add the amount of the tax to it. So the total cost, including tax, would be $231. So that's one method you can use. The other method you can use is you can figure it out by looking at a percent increase. Tax is a percent increase, like a markup is. So I'm going to take my original 100% and add to it 5%. So I'm really paying for 105%. Change that to a decimal, 1 5/100. Multiply it by the original price, $220. Multiply it out. We get the same answer we had before, but just a little bit quicker, $231. So this is the method that I prefer, but if the question specifically asks you to find the amount of the tax separate from the total price, then you would have to use that first method. Okay, the sales tax in a major city is 6%. Find the total cost including the tax charged on a purchase of $300. So it's tax, so we're doing a percent increase. So I would do 100% plus 6%, which is really 106%. Change that to a decimal, 1 6/100. Multiply it by the price before tax, $300. Use my calculator to multiply it out. The total amount including tax would be $318. An item that costs $50 is marked 20% off. The sales tax for the item is 8%. What is the final price including tax? So I first have to find the amount with the discount. So it's a markdown. So I would do 100% minus 20%. So I'm paying for 80% of the item. Change 80% to a decimal. Multiply it by the original price. So the amount I'm paying before taxes ends up being $40. Now for the tax, it's a percent increase. So I do 100% plus 8%. So I'm paying 108% of that new price. So I change 108% to a decimal, 1 800. Multiply it by 40. And I get the price including tax ends up being $43.20. So again, you have to do the discounted first and then apply the tax to that new price. I hope this video helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.